So, hello and welcome. My name is Daniel and we are OneCharge. We are enabling the new e-mobility revolution. The problem. We are on our way from Munich to Augsburg with our new fancy electric car, and we arrive there and then we see our electricity run out. We run out of electricity, but thanks to this wonderful apps like Share and Charge, we can see that there's already charging stations out there, but actually too far away. And the only charging station alternative is from Telecom there right now, but they use a current app and a current different currency. Huge problem, huge mess for me as an end user. So our solution, one app to rule them all. Thanks to our solution, we come safely home because now we have the every charging station in our app, in our solution with every currency there. So what does OneCharge does? OneCharge is, so to say, the chain of chains, the cross-blockchain solution for every market participant, like the car vehicle owner and the energy suppliers, to empower the decentralized energy charging infrastructure. So how does this process look like? Will my comrade here present?
So we'll start by rolling up to the charging station with our Porsche Mission E, and obviously it needs to be charged now. Then we will go to our app, and we will click the, we're in Germany, and we will process the payment. And we have to fast forward a little bit because it has to go through blockchain. And now we can see our balance has gone down. And as we move along, now we can basically go into Etherscan. What is wrong with this clicker? Oh, there. Okay, and now we can see that it's going from one blockchain, so Kovan, to another, which is, we're using Rinkeby in this case. And you can see that the transaction has gone through. And our car is now charging while we're waiting. And again, our proof of concept basically moved with two chargers that were running on two different networks, one in Germany and one in France. And now I'll pass you over to our business guy.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you. So basically, if you look at the e-car market at the moment in Germany, we can say that there was a huge growth in the market, but the number of e-cars is still relatively small compared to the number of traditional cars. And we have about 8,000 charging stations at the moment, but we would need about 20,000 for sufficient coverage. Yeah, so the German government expects that there could be about 1 million e-cars in 2025. And this would mean that you would need about 150,000 charging stations in Germany. And this would be equal to the energy consumption of about one power plant or 250 windmills. So a huge energy consumption needed. We also kind of searched a little bit about our expected revenue, and if this forecast of the German government holds true, then the whole the market for energy of e-cars would be about 1 billion in Germany, and we would expect to get a yearly revenue from this of about 2.5 million euro. As for our revenue model itself, so basically our main revenue would come from a fee. So we would give the private households who have excess energy to spend, and the companies install the software for them, and then get like a commission via smart contract. We would also charge a fee for setting up the infrastructure if needed, and install these smart contracts, and possibly also earning commissions. Basically here you can see our like unique selling points. So we are multi-currency, multi-brand, have smart contracts and are community building. So, and Daniel will close it out.
Wonderful, thank you. So we are OneCharge, and with OneCharge, our ecosystem, we are combine them all. We enable actually the blockchain infrastructure. We bring also new technology. We will partner up in future with, for instance, wireless charging while you're at a traffic jam or a traffic light. And we will bring all of the other devices like drones, e-bikes, and e-trucks.